Khubor Pibaro syakatup Khuborjylla ke donbosco media network. Kimat bakong san menta ke sengi Shillong. Lapmit ke Samla lut maulai nongkwar haying kawai sengi kha. Wanbu ukna ia ke Samla lut maulai police station. Ujor uba Adelbert halor ki company claim license hau ba senyau bhalang dhar. Bat rakhe sengi kentiu burom ia ki khun kentai hakeleng ke perthai. Bat mentangin pa syaki Khubor bakam banyak. Ka Samla lut na maulai nongkwar ka balami na laying bat jamit klem dayathu AA halaying lasem kala lapmit penban haying khawai sengi kha jonggi parlok jongka. Kat ba ki bahaying asem gila suk po bat linear brew ya ke jingja amit kini ke Samla hadu bekila pentip marmar syaki pulit ke maulai police station hanongkwar ya kini ke jingja kini ke kena. Khubor shnong gila penkrek ban pelong ke jingwat pa ya kini ke kena. Kini ke Samla lut ke lepun syalaying bat pentip bakadon haying ki parlok ban dek kemen sengi kha. Maria yo ya kini ke jingtip ki bahaying kila kemen bakadang im ha kejuk kopor kila bitar lep ya ke jingle lendet jongka ban sakmit haying ki parlok. Haduk batho ikini ke Khubor ki bahaying kidang don maulai police station ban lot ksai ya kini ke jingle ke khun jongki. Nakaliang ki pulit kidang pendep ya lagi kamram ki bayadei bat kini ke jingyat palat pot kini ke Samla lut. Ke ofisar nakatanat social welfare ki belawan kerki maulai police station kila ajing mut haki kemigi kepa bat haki pulit ban ai counseling ya kini ke kena ka belabu iki bahaying asem bat ke shnong kathau ha ke jing seir bat jinglik amen sim. Nakini ki jingja hanong ba Shillong tang ka nam ki rius new ki bela pinseir ya ke ying kesem bat ke shnong kathau Henry ke jingtam sneng jong ki khun ru kala pinlamwir bat pinking bayong kle ya ke emlang salang. Halor ke jingja ke kena bakat news nem karta na maulai nongkwar uweu kena Samla rit ulawan bo ia ka maulai police station ha ka janmit jong ka khatlai tarik ka tatang hadin kattu kat ni kenta balapen bena lingba kilat pathai Khubor. Uniu kena ulapla bo itu AA bat kani ka kena Henry Yau la shubtha ban nit senran ya ka maulai police station. Kat ba na kaliang ki bahaying asem jong kani ka kena ha ka jing kren kila penpau ka jing bitar ya kata kalong ying ka bala khot sa ya kani ka Samla klem da pentip syaki. Kila ongru la kumnu kita ki bahaying jong kata ka parlok jongka kila day ban pentip syaki. Kila penpau ru ka jing bitar babalei kita ki bahaying jong kata ka parlok Kim wan mi sya police station ban ya kren Henry ki shupha wan bu penban hau kena bom tip AA.
Tôi ngộ mình thành loại xuống của sáu anh chị mà không bảy như thằng chị thằng đẹp mình đang chạm là cái này nó xiêm và sạc không cái đôi xin miệng là nga thì cái bên hàng áo mình xong sạc không bên hai bữa nữa mà cái ống này nữa và không có trong cái sạc xong xí đâu họ phải xem làm sao vậy không biết cái sạc mình nó không phải là bên trong đây không làm nó sẽ nó bên trong đây rồi kata kadang panjang kan bang nó không senap ya.
Kade kalau kau saling nagaling jonga ro aku abang tertib mah ngai ni nga ada hijab ni para rade nama bagi kon tinggi jonga teu galing talong di bahi masan kilek kan ni rukom ui bensuk tenang lada phile kano ro to la sami sto ngali nga omne khamai saru batisa admir aimir ro ngin ben state tama kutip na kan wiri di bahi masan ya kesinong kathau ba society borok oi hari kesi betul betul kalau wala tip minta bakal pun bakal jinja balong ni kawan tangkamet dia apa ui bang tin ya benwan hi kini dibenta juga sen media mau terkait ba raja no ke kena entam tak ndai nak ada ki bahi masan ki at least ki bangun ongong ai kong badan sung ai mo ba i kujuti o samnen ba idan parti minta something mo tengi nak sungtunan ila hun musim temen tapak dulu kena jangan Ngata supaya klik cari itu kenang lah itu kan. Nama apa? Ngaruh hari le sosial media mah. Ngata supaya beri wa itu. Memang thok jerwa orang tak ada malah thok jerwa ini. Tak ada ngapain bahaya wa itu ba udai nak boleh umur jitu dia hiru. Tapi beli sungai, tapi orang suka ngubah sungai lebih. Kalau ada kiwi kimut tiba kami sekali rumah ikat dapat ayam lah. Di sini yang mau beli, kalau ngasih kerpat, nak kalian jungi kibahia masa dengan nak entah, nak kuat apa kini haban wan pan mat dengan dia. Marbalai kalau kaba habangan mana ngadang lalu bangkakan diri amai kita mama kita mereka disai, ngadang pay kan news baca menin hapom pling, tengah lapat Samla mo bakal kita kenal teh kini Jylla teh semjine seperti mo tak kemtahi mesin her kam capok ngai bani akan ika ya kan para lajong bakal aja long bayu tenang sen sumare tak kamare tep ganyak tak sekti tep ngapoi kuno ya kuno ngam teksu ngalapo sijin ngasukun de masuk limo kai ke baja kai balen teh mo telak kali ngong nglayu khubor saya sepang layu khubor tengah sumbai kun tak iba taman tapi itu kena ba menne itu kena apa pun wan bu seni mo te ngapai ka jinglong jung ma itu bolong kumno ubri te kibahi masam alistil kinun ok mo bade hamni kin syong subha kadang subhai ma pi marwe anna pi ngat jing sajak ingat ma pi marwe nata kadang wa ai ka jing sni pi borok naro barang ispat di jude masa ila ikmik pa yalu ikmik pa ba pile chinu chinuru yathu khang ban laj na ka ike borok mo tahi naka yang juga dibangun sekian berapa. Ini nai officer ila ong ba ni haban ai ke jing senang ye ki tu ki kena ki bakot mo kena ba ki ben pentep saying kasam om tang sang ni ne yano ki perlak badai dari pentep yang sa aji senang ma bisa tengiru ni su muncul kat kaji punya jong ka PS jong ka mulai sergi boroi bat ngai kubulai ngai ka kajing kubulai ka kapta me ka sinong ka thau ba kumju ya kini ki press kumju ya ki polis kibra tristom mit la bersi wat ado hadu ba kim nang yo thia syu min kadang ja kumtu kila mare ba mentaru kila ya mare ban ya be ba kumju ya pisa ki press barabor psi don me senda ni ling ba jong pi ni yo sibon ki jing pentep ka ba ai mesin ni ki riu pa ba ai tahi psi ba pi long pi wan bu ma pi kena lah orang
kau tu berapa yang hati pak tu apa mai wan setiap ngali aku pernah ya rasa
metek bayi sa dan kadon ski kha menen te pemuyong
tu rasa ski temburan tu ngat kali sini dos itu berada di sana di dalam
di pi wan bu pi ni kena sini ni mau buat apa pi wan bu
dan berpenanannya anu nampak kan yang nawan di situ awan balang lalu awan nama telepon
mau buat phone
itu dah anu
di pi kum nu pi wan bu pi ni kena tu pi don jing dai ai te mau buat wan bu pi sini mau buat wan bu
Picho ini kenapa? Itu yang
Uba Adelbert Nongrum MLA na North Shillong ulo ujor sya uba senyaw bahalang dhar usindrop menteri rangba halor ke jingdon ki company kamai pisah ke Jylla ki bomdon license na ki bor sarkar Meghalaya. Uba Adelbert ula kedau ya ke jingdon ki arsyaka rapido ki bakamai ha Meghalaya. Henry Kim penno jimintoi AA ya ke Jylla. Haga khat lai terik Risaw, uba Adelbert ula kentui ki company ki bakamai ha Meghalaya banyat kat kum ki an ke Jylla kenang ban kentiu ya ke yok kokot bat ban plilat iki Samla ban kamai kaji.
Kamtam habadi wanika crisis of unemployment. The minister in charge singawa balang dah. Wan kidu i ro ni ka jing complain jong ka 24 kini jets 24 to 7 kini ki taxi bait ki pania yang ni business arshaka ti halo ki artali ki mat kawai kamat kadai ka ka license and on license ken mau pa kanong ba ka jets 24/7 kamdei ba kalong persya yang tiki riders para riders ndai kilong persya kalong kawai company ba kawai company ka jile kadai kawai company ba kawai company mo namar ka jets 24/7 ka kalong kawai ka company ka ba aikam nam taki kon samla ti kawai ka din nam taki license on license kini license on license kalong ba manta lai pulai teliki lai pulai banai kamut jan ar sinam stay ti kajing complain jong ka jets kalong very valid kawai namar ba ka license nakaliang jong jets kalayo of sinam arjar arko ajar pulai ajar pulai layo ka license bagian yo ban operate ya kanika kajing kamai arsaka ti kajing kali mata apa kalong ba kini ki wei pat ki ba penongkam illegal operators mo taki aggregators ki bamde ki aggregators ki nong ki belum ki aggregators ni te bagi ki company mo ki ba wan sengkam ba thawkam kumno ban yarap nang taki khun samla manlai da frustration manlai na ta kajing long kodlah taki khun samla ti kata di ko wei kajing kali ko bangaru kum local madi kanika 24 jets into 7 jets into 24/7 kadai ka ba establish apo constituency jonga ti kamdi ba ngadi local mani nga shuwan to bantu kular ki ringa saudai bantu kular namar ba kredap ban ya na kawai ka por sui ka por kredap ban na kawai ka por sui ka por through proper channel kredap ban a histi sa minister bodong borom singau bahalang dahar bari transport minister bari rujo port deputy chief minister the kanika subject to the issue concern over the illegal operations of unregistered aggregator within the state kanika day how khasauturik arja arpulai October khasauturik arja arpulai the continuously kita pull up ya kanika city complaint ke jongki ki ai biang reminder shai minister deputy chief minister in charge of transport hak pratrik bunai ban rio arjar afsal kaju hak bidi ko ni ban complain na ko banta ki illegal operator ti namta la ai city complain hak lai tri bunai baspo arjar afsal show commissioner of transport kaju city na ko banta wala pankai ni ka rules 3 of sub rules 1 of the Meghalaya taxi aggregator operational rules 2020 ti nang tu pat ki layat ban ujor biang shau DTO jong East Khasinews district kabadu mata kram take any action ti but la airu ba city complain shau chief secretary former chief secretary haka absautorik bunai binyo arja absan ti bala airu ka city complain shau commissioner secretary bari Sanjay Goyal ti hadu mata kini isu snap kalong bakim long respond kim simla jubab ya ka complain jong 24/7 kalong kumba on the mind yaki kan ni kila trestom kan ni dang le stom mulu banyara per support di government nomor dikit pemata ba kumasyon no at very present there is no more that we can give for our beloved youth regarding the government job mo ginom na shu manai jingkar kalau saturated matang happy yang joki kja tinrai ke jingkali pa kalong ba boleh duk matang isha illegally ban operate daki way part ki company nganum batai ngatrai government kate ba ke department kate ba but ngan approve ek action ke bakai ke action ke ba ke department ke deban sim against segini ki illegal operator markani kan kata pi ke way kalong ba matang ikren ke unsafe mo ke jibam singai mentala de kiwan kini ki illegal operator na sabar ki company ngalor nang ni kum local mali kawan along ba ngawan ban put pressure the minister in charge ba dokam machine action immediate action need to be taken against those who are operate illegally pi ko way along ba kata bar ka aru ka jingdu kalong ka leakage ka revenue leakage ya ka government ti kani mo banong responsible who are to be fixed responsible ngapan bu jingkali ti bar ka kani ka allotment order ka ba ka 24/7 kabag nang yang joki kijat bat menta kini kidang apply yang niki license jun ki individual bikers.
Khubor bagi kemi ki pa ke Jylla Meghalaya kamtam lele ki besong basa Shillong bat hagi nong ba district ki shong seir na jing sha thombor bat jing jamit ki Samla lut kenthei ka sarkar Meghalaya lingba ka tanat social welfare kala rakhi ka sngi kentiu buram ye ki khun kenthei International Day of the Girl Child Arjar Arpusan rengkat bat kari India berok kawai ha ka khat lai terik Risaw Arjar Arpusan Hilarity Auditorium mau kasiang. Hakini ke lumpung kentiu buram ye ki khun kenthei la pelong ye ke jing phaidien ban pet benya ye ke jing kiu shaprang jong ki khun kenthei na keleng ke Meghalaya ke belapin ishai ba ki long ki bor ba ke jing kermen ye ke lawei ke Jylla ha ki por bandang wan. Umentri rangba Konrad ki sangma ke Dr. Amperin Lingdo bat uba Paul Lingdo ki lalong ki kenrem ban shimenta hakini ke sngi kentiu buram ye ki khun kenthei jong ke Meghalaya. Ki officer ki nong hikai ki kemi ki pa bat ki khna ni ki sanpau tili ki school ki lepin chut rem ya kini ke lempung ha kini ke sngi ki kentin phira bala sot kerpang ha kini ke sngi ki long ngadei i khun kenthei ngai alam na khmat ban wanra ki jingkalla ki khun kenthei ki lot ki law ki jing e baro. The girl I am, the change I lead, girls on the front lines of crisis. Marias dang ke jing yalang layas ngap jar-jar ar minit ban kenmau tempang ye ki khenarit ki bala sha thombor bat du e ki jing em ha kini ki khendiak tayau balala ha ki kti jing ki runar thrang snam ha ka jing kren umentri rangba ulajer bat nyeu tangi ki program babunjat ba ka sarkar Meghalaya kala le na kebenta ban kentiu ya ka kot ka khia ka roi ka pa bat kilat kamai ka ji jong ki long kemi bat ki Samla kenthei ha ki phang bat ki sap babunjat. Hakini ke lumpung la yo ru ki jingkren aimen sim na ka Samla dapisha kharbani ka nongseng ye ka Majestic Dance Academy bat na ka Samla Angelina ka nong ye lekai beduna ka bormet ban penchlur ya ki weipat ki Samla kenthei ki belawan shikani ka jingyalang. Lapin iru ye ka plim belingkot ka bayadei bat ka jingkot jingkhia bat ka jingle khu le suba da ka tanat health and family welfare.
They don't even have a single piece of, a shirt, pant or a frock or a skirt to give to their child. There are some cases like that. They don't have enough medicines to give. They don't have the soap. They don't have the different requirements that a baby requires because they are in the rural area. So we have decided to give small packet when the baby is born to the mother, which will include clothes, again made by our self-help groups, which will include towels, which will include soaps, will include some medicinal and kind of nutrient value tablets for the mother as well as for the child, and also a small guide that tells the mother in local language what she should do, and to the father also what he should do when certain situations are there in case they are not able to connect with the Asha or with the doctor's concern. So a small manual will be included in that. So I'm hoping that these self-help groups will then further help us in producing the baby clothes that we're going to be distributing to the mothers when the baby is born. So therefore there's a very strong kind of a socio-economic model which we're trying to develop, where we're trying to help our society, but at the same time ensuring that this help comes from our own self-help groups and we don't have to buy products from outside. Even the soap that we're going to give, just want to share with you, even the soap that we're going to give is going to be soap that's going to be made by our self-help groups right here in our state of Meghalaya. So this is what we're doing, and a lot of this will happen in the next 6 months to 1 year, and we expect to saturate all of this. But this is just one of the programs that we have. I'm so happy today, the kind of suggestions that have come, whether it's to do with the counseling, whether it's to, and I connect to all the issues that are there. But I tell my daughters one thing. I tell them that at the end of the day, no matter what I say or whatever their mother tells them or whatever the society says or whatever your friends tell you, what matters is what you think and what you believe in. And I always encourage my daughters to have an independent mind. That does not mean that they fight with me all the time, but they must have their views. They must have the courage. They must have the confidence to always know that what they are thinking also is right. And of course discuss, and if they're wrong, then have the decency to accept that they were wrong and change themselves. And I think this process of growing and becoming an adult is going to be a very, very crucial journey for all of you. I want to tell you, if any person comes and tries to undermine you, please don't accept it. If anybody comes and tries to make fun of you, stand firm and don't give in. If any of your friends and peers pressurize you to do something that you think is not correct, never do it. Never do it. Don't even think that, okay, I will just sit there and I will just watch, but I won't do it. Don't. If you think that what is happening is wrong, leave the room. If you think that what your friend is doing and saying to you, which is going against your belief, against what your parents have taught you, what your elders have taught you, and what your conscience tells you, turn away immediately. I'll tell you, sometimes these fractions of seconds, the decisions you make, could be a matter of life and death. That is how important these decisions are. Sometimes as young children, we don't know, we go along with the pressure and we say, okay, my friends will feel bad. Don't ever have a doubt on that. If your friends are forcing you to do the wrong thing, they're not your friends. I'm not trying to break your friendship with your friends, but I'm trying to tell you that you have the right to choose what is good for you and what is not good for you.
Bat da kini ki Khubor ngila poi shika bakut tat haduk bengdai syambiang kublai shibon.